Hey InstaFam, winter is here and I am here to share something amazing with you all. It's all about staying cozy and warm with the incredible brand Cruiser Electrical Heaters. Check out the sleek design. It's not just a heater, it's a statement piece for your home. Perfect blend of style and functionality. With the adjustment temperature setting, you can create your own perfect comfort zone. It's energy efficient and it's gonna give you warmth without breaking the bank. Say goodbye to chills and say hello to warmth. But don't just take my word, our users love it. So, ready to upgrade your winter experience? Click the link in the bio and grab your Cruiser electrical heater today and transform your space into a warm heaven.